Darn it, Elephant, you're so messy. Darn it, Elephant, you're so messy. What did you just call me? Ah! I'll forget it. Hey, I got a new movie at the store. What's it called? People who are trying to force to eat each other. Wanna watch? Yeah, sure. Is it a scary movie? You're a baby. Let's just start watching. People who are fed and forced to eat each other. 2 hours later. Leave! That was stupid. Cannibal, why are you eating the skinny one? He has no meat on him. You should have ate the fat one. This movie was terrible. Right, Rick? Rick, I'm going to bed now. What morning. Let me turn this thing off. I'm turning this disaster off. Okay, don't worry, Rick. It's a dream. Just sleep on it. Just sleep on it. Huh? Where am I? Haha, Rick. I'm getting hungry. Ah! Ow! Oh, okay. Hi, you look delicious today. Can I eat you? Oh no! Oh, that's a chance. I'll hide in here. Ow! I'll be safe here. Hey, I'm still hungry. Ah! Oh! Ow! 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 That should have hurt me because this is a dream. Well, I'm getting hungry. And don't you dare break the fourth wall again. Sorry. Yeah, no! Yeah! Yeah, how do I get outside the cover? Whatever. I can't believe I have to use this. Hey, Elephant, what are you doing? Huh? Cooking up some stew. Cooking up some stew. Oh, cooking up some stew. Oh, Rick, you're here. Help me cook. Cook. We're having Zoe for dinner tonight. Zoe? For dinner? Yeah, Zoe. Ah! Moron. Get back here, Rick. Help me cook. What are you doing? Hiding. From what? From who? Cannibals. Wow, you were really scared by that movie, weren't you? Yeah, Elephant, but I really think the cannibal really near me. Whatever. Hey, I want to say something about my secret recipe. Is that, the viewers won't be able to see this, but is that blood? I don't know. Maybe. Yeah! Hey, where are you going? I gotta live down here for the rest of my life. Wait on. Live down here for the rest of my life. Am I just gonna stay in here? You're a virgin without a bathroom? No, I had to stop Elephant from eating Zoe and ruining everybody's lives. Ow. Now, where's that? Ha 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 ha! I have no idea why we have this. Oh, hey Rick. Hey Rick, why did you run in that room? And what are you doing with that knife? Oh, nothing. I'm just gonna teach a cannibal a lesson. Rick, I'm not a cannibal. Oh, yes you are! Ah! That I miss. Yeah! Ooh! Oh, my face! Ha 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 ha. Say goodbye. Any last words? Yes, Zoe, I love you. And Rick, you're crazy! I don't really agree on that last part, but I love Zoe too. Yeah, goodbye, Elephant. Yeah, no. Give me that thing! Rick, what are you doing? Elf is a cannibal! Cannibals don't exist. Or at least in the toy world. What? Get that attitude straightened up. We're having Zoe for dinner. You're a cannibal too? Oh! Say goodbye, Dolphin. Dolphin! Yeah! Hey guys! Hey guys! Is dinner ready? Wait, so by half for dinner you mean inviting someone? Yes, you moron! What do you think? What else could it be? I don't know. What about that thing on the remote? It's I guess. Oh, it's probably something for my meat stew. Oh, and oh, sorry. Whoops. Well, I'm just gonna leave now. What? Rick, corner now. Aww. By the way, this was not an idea from somebody. We just got this idea from a channel called Mario Luigi Plus Bros. So go check out his channel. Go. Give us high likes for people who go high for people who are stranded. Like this video for people who are stranded and forced to eat each other. Shut up.